Ocean ecosystems are as varied as they are valuable. Mangrove forests are veritable fish factories and carbon stores. Oyster reefs filter water and protect coastlines. Tourism brings in billions of dollars. How can we measure the impact? Introducing Mapping Ocean Wealth. The Mapping Ocean Wealth Data Viewer is a live online resource for understanding the value of marine and coastal ecosystems. This allows us to map data analytics with region studies so that we can better identify risk and calculate smart investments for tomorrow. Take coral reefs, for instance. By mapping ocean wealth, we know coral reefs contribute $36 billion per year to global tourism. Through collaborations with Esri and Microsoft, we are leveraging cutting-edge machine learning tools to apply artificial intelligence to local user-generated content, allowing us to more accurately map the value of reefs around the world. What's next? We'll map other nature-dependent activities, wildlife viewing, fishing, beachgoing. Mapping ocean wealth takes our global view and enhances our ability to measure habitat value at the local level. These maps will provide actionable data to help local governments make more informed decisions concerning ocean resources, coastal planning and marine ecosystems, and protect our most valuable asset, nature. For more information, visit oceanwealth.org.